Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be replacing words in a string. So I've created a text string up here. So my text, this is a string. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable here called simply entry, and we're going to assign it to input, which will get the user input. Then we're going to tell the user what to do. Word to replace. So we're going to replace one of the words in the string above with a new one. Okay, I'm going to call that old word. Okay, that's a better name for that variable. So this one, we're going to call this new word. We're going to assign that to input and simply new word. Yeah, so the user will type in a new word. So for example, if I want to replace the first word in this string, which is this, I could type in this here and I could replace it with a new word like that. Right, so now we're going to do conditional, or if old word is not in my text, we're going to do something. If the old word isn't in there, we're going to print, it's going to be, we'll do an F string here, and we'll call old word not in string. Okay, and then we're going to have to do an else here. Else, I'm going to create a variable called output, and we're going to assign that to my text dot replace. We're going to replace the old word with the new word. And now we're going to print out the result of that. Whoops. Let's do that properly. Print out the result of that. So print result simply output. Okay, now all we have to do is call this replace word. Let's just save it, run the program, make it a little bit bigger. Word to replace, just have a look if that word is a capital. Yeah, it's a capital. So I want to replace this, remember it's case sensitive as well, with that. Okay, so that's the output. That is a string instead of this is a string. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a like, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.